Popular ito. We are waiting for our turn. And ang number namin is 46. So after mga 15 to 20 minutes waiting, yun na yung turn namin to go upstairs sa main hall nila. Very industrial looking, pero napakadaming tao, punong-puno yung mga tables. And you can see yung mga kumakain, mga iba-ibang lahi. Merong mga yan, Arabic, even local, Emirati yan, at mga Indians, and lalo na mga Pilipino din. So yung mga staff nila very accommodating, mga puro Pilipino. We ordered yung popular ribs and brisket, 250 grams each, and may mashed potato and fries. Very reasonable ang prices, 200 dirhams, and very tender yung kanilang meat ng ribs. So recommended ito, try it.